Now we're going to do ulnar nerve neural dynamic testing. So the key here is to get the fourth and fifth phalanges. And right here, I want to get elbow flexion, wrist extension, and pronation there. All the way up there. A lot of times you end up running into their head. Now, if that's the case, it's probably not a major issue, but if that's the case, then I will bring it this way, so that contralateral side bending, so that way I have more room to go. I'm looking for a reproduction of symptoms primarily. This one I'm not so concerned about what the absolute range is, but a reproduction of symptoms. Remember, all tests are in context.